Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juan here at Up with the Sun. Today I'm so excited because something I've been waiting for what seems like forever now has finally arrived in the mail, and that is my first ever Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. And I am, as you can tell, super excited to open this up. I ordered about 4 because you can get 4 different kinds of boxes, fandom boxes from the subscription service. You can get their Disney box, which I hope this one is, and a Harry Potter theme box, which is called their Wizard's Vault. And then you can get 2 other boxes, the Galaxy box, which is their Star Wars theme box, and their Universe box, which is Marvel themed. So I'm really excited to open this up. Like I said, I've been waiting for a while. In fact, this was my full, unadulterated opinion about this subscription service, whether or not it's worth it. I've seen other boxes, and yeah, it's worth it if you're into, things like Gym Shores, which I did not want any Gym Shores. So you will not be seeing a red box in here, as I did select quality over quantity, so I can have less items of higher value, because I just don't need just junk filler items filling up my space. I don't have any need for that. This is something that is a splurge. It's not something that's a necessity. So if I'm going to have something curated to me, then it should be something of high quality that I could keep for a while. I had specifically ordered is the Ultimate Magic Box, and that is $119. It's the top tier one that you can get. They have multiple price levels for their boxes, and I will list them down below in the description box, and a link to their website so you can check them out. But they are super popular. They're all over YouTube, and here I am with a huge case of FOMO, not able to get one until recently. So I'm super excited to open this up and see what we have inside. Hey. Alright, let's see. It's so surreal because I've seen so many of these that just to physically have one here in my lap just a really surreal experience. The first thing I'm seeing on top is this cute card with Minnie Mouse on it. It says, "A little smile goes a long way. Remember, you're the one who could fill the world with sunshine." And it's super fitting because obviously my channel is called Up with the Sun. Definitely want to be able to fill the world with as much sunlight as we can during these dark times. So here is Minnie Mouse in this cute little design. And then on the back, it tells you about how you can mention them in social media. And then it says, "Your box is curated with love by Mama B." So, the head honcho. So, I'm super excited. Mama B, let's see what you got going on here. So, put that aside. This is a spoiler alert packing slip, so it will tell me all the items that are listed in my box and their value, so I'm going to save that for the end. And then on top, of course, you have the pink paper here, and then the sticker is all the way off to the side here, so that's different. So let's see what's going on here. They did change their branding. It used to say Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes across the front of it, but now it just says Bibbidi, which is pretty smart because that's such a mouthful. Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, say that a million times. Okay, so opening it up, and on the top you can see it's still like a whole bunch of confetti paper in here that I'm just going to throw away. Well, let me see here. I'm going to sift through this. Okay, this is different, but oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to start with the first item here, and it is a whole thing of Coco pins. Love Coco. That was one of my favorite movies that recently had come out. Obviously, it's a special place in my heart because it represents Mexican culture and heritage, and they did such a beautiful job being respectful to that I just cannot get over it. I'm so happy I got these. I can definitely add these to my pin board, and wow, I just can't believe it. There's 5 pins in all. Oh my gosh. Check that out. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this alone retails for $32.99. Okay. Wow, I just can't get over it. You have Dante, you have, of course, Miguel. It's just, how do you, oh my gosh. I'm almost speechless because I just did not expect this. I was really curious because I made it really hard for them value-wise, so this is already a big chunk of it, I would say. But who knows? But I'm really loving these pins. Wow. Okay, so the next item in this box, I am so confused, like really confused. Because it's a jumble of things in this box. Usually it's specifically like Disney or one thing or the other. So I don't know why they combine these two things, but I'm not complaining. This is not an item that I'm gonna keep, but I definitely will give it away because I won't use it. And as I blab away about that, I'll show you what I'm really talking about. It is a Loungefly wallet of Guardians of the Galaxy. This is insane. I love this. Even though I said I'm not going to keep it because I'm not really into Marvel that much that I want to rep it all the time. I prefer other things, but I understand why the ladies did that. This is a great wallet because in here you can see it has slots for your cards and your ID holder here, and then it obviously opens up so you can put some cash in. I'm not complaining. Like I actually did put this on my wish list, but it's so funny how they curated it because I thought this was actually gonna go into the Marvel theme box that I ordered, the Universe box, but they just placed it in this box. Okay. That's why I said I'm confused. I thought they would do, I don't know, I just don't know what I understand the psychology, the thinking that went into it, but if they were going to give me this item, I would prefer that they put it in a other box. So that's different. And like I said, I'm a little confused because I would have put in, this is another Marvel item, and I'm going to show you the shirt in a second, but I just can't get over how I would have not put this shirt in this box. I would have reserved it for the other box, the Universe box that I ordered. Maybe because they didn't think that it was going to me, like for review, because that's what I did. I actually ordered those other boxes separately as gifts, so that way I didn't have to keep renewing the subscription, which is like the smartest option for you, to be honest, if you really aren't sure about investing something month to month. But luckily this is in the size for the person that I would give this to. It's not in my size, so without further ado, it is this Groot shirt. It's super cute, also super dated. Baby Groot, or Groot in a pot. I am Groot on the pot, and it's a very nice quality shirt. I will not be wearing this. Like I said, someone else will be enjoying this, but it's still a nice shirt with I just can't get over my confusion on this. Mama B, there's no shades to you, Queen. It's just that was not the route that I would have gone, but I don't know, maybe they just got some preferences mixed up. I mean, when you do a Disney specific theme box, that makes sense. And your items are specifically Disney themed. And I was not looking forward to mixing any of the fandoms, which they decided to do this time around. I can't fault them for them because, again, I was making their job very hard about telling things that I didn't like versus things that I did like, which both lists I thought were pretty extensive and clear. But this shirt and this wallet are not something that I would put into a Disney box, even though I'm trying to hit that threshold of 119. I don't think there's plenty of things I put on my wish list or out there that they could have gone with. Maybe they couldn't. Maybe they had a hard time because of the current situation, so they were just working with what they got. But I don't know. It's a little disappointing, but I almost feel like it's awful for me to say that, to be disappointed getting two really amazing items, but that I just don't think are sufficient, or excuse me, which I don't think are relevant to this box, which is supposed to be a Disney box. So, the jury's out still on how I feel. I guess the jury's not out because we done know how I feel. I think is the last item in this box, which I hope it is because I'm sure y'all are just tired of hearing me bitch and complain about getting some Disney magic. And I cannot be more thrilled because it is Pride Month and it is these rainbow mini ears, which I've seen in other boxes, but I did not expect them to put in this box. I did put ears down as a preference. I only have like 2 ears, and they're like a couple years old because I got them about 2 years ago when I actively had a annual pass. I actually did renew an annual pass recently, and obviously we know how that went. COVID came and I was like, okay, well, never mind then. But I've seen these and I love these. I love the rainbow bow. It's beautiful. It's perfect for Pride. Let me see here. Can't tell. So you can see them. They're on and I just love them. They're great. I will not be wearing mini ears. I actually just like collecting them for the aesthetics. If it becomes something in the future that I would like to wear them in the parks, that'd be great. But I purely just like them for the aesthetics. And I am just loving these. This is great. The ears went up. Like, they used to be $27.99. And now these retail, this doesn't have a price, but now they're up to $29.99, $30, which is getting up there. But this band is very comfy and doesn't squish your head like the old ones used to do. And the sequence is fun. And so this is great. This and the cocoa pins made sense to put in this box. The Groot shirt and the Guardians of the Galaxy wallet, not so much. So again, like I said before, this was the Ultimate Magic Box. I paid $119 for this box. So I'm going to go ahead and read off the values listed here. So the Loungefly Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy Chibi lineup wallet, which is super cute, is $39. The Disney Parks exclusive Cocoa Pins is $32.99. The Marvel, let's say that again, the Marvel licensed apparel Guardians of the Galaxy Dancing Groot shirt is $24. And the Disney Parks exclusive ears headband, the black sleeves with the rainbow bow, was $29.99. Like I said, I called that earlier, for a total retail value of $125.98. I can't be mad at it, even though most of my reaction was kind of salty. And I don't even know why. I guess because I wanted this box for me, and I have 2 items in here that are clearly for somebody else. And even on that checklist, there was like 2 red marks next to that shirt, they're like, oh, check, we have these items. What? I don't know. I don't get it. Am I underwhelmed? No. Am I disappointed? Yes. Would I have preferred other things in my box? Yes, I would have preferred something like a Parks exclusive Funko Pop, because I did put Funko Pops out there, and there are Funko Pops out there available that you could have put in this box. Would I have preferred a Loungefly backpack? Yes, I would have preferred a mini backpack over some of these items. Like, move these over to the box that I had told you and give me the backpack. I'm so sorry. I know it's super ungrateful, and I don't mean to sound ungrateful. I guess, you know, I am a person that does like to go physically into the store, and like I'm just a person that I know what I like and I know what I want. So is this a box for somebody like myself who really is very particular in how you accumulate things? No. This is a subscription service that is really not for a person like myself. No shade to Bibbidi boxes, but I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this service. I loved, like I said, I love these items. Some of them, I just don't love them for me. But I don't think I'd do this again. And I'm really glad that I did try it and that I got over my FOMO, because I don't think I would like to go give these people $119. I don't think I'd feel comfortable again giving these people $119 and only get 50% satisfactory on my box. And it's not even about the price. It's really not about the price, because people spend hundreds of dollars on things that are just worth nothing. All these items are pretty valuable in their own right. It's just, I can't get over these two items. Like, first of all, this shirt's not even in my size. This is a large, which was supposed to be for the gifted box. The gifted box of the universe box. So this was should have been in that. I probably would have been just totally fine if this was in that box and this was in that box, and I would just be shutting up and loving the world right now and not complaining. But no, now I'm being, you know, essentially a brat on the internet. Because this pin set though, this pin set, beautiful, love it. This is a huge win. I love this. I love the ears. I mean, but two items, loving two items is not enough. I need to like the entire thing. And I've seen people that have gotten boxes and they're just like, oh, this is out of the park and bravo, bravo. These ladies did amazing. I'm a brand rep. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I know they heavily go on your preferences, but I felt like they didn't even read it. Like, they read it, they saw it, and they're crunched for time. There's so much going on in the world right now, and they just dropped the ball on this end. So I'm not even gonna bother returning any of these items. Like I said, these two items, the shirt and the wallet, I'm gifting already to somebody. But I'm just gonna stop right there because I cannot continue to ramble on about how dissatisfied I was over this unboxing. Something that you're interested in, if you need some Disney magic in your life, because you can't go to the parks, this is a good option if you just don't care what you get. I thought I would be in that category of not caring. Like, I'd love to be surprised, but I guess I don't like surprises that much. Oh my gosh. I do have 3 other boxes on their way. I will be unboxing those and giving my opinion on those. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you all are staying safe. Please tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. And I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much. Bye.